we're going to do a bird dog exercise. A lot of people are familiar with this exercise, but it very frequently is performed incorrectly. So we want to achieve a very specific goal with the bird dog. Once we're in this tabletop position, we want to work on keeping the spine in a neutral position. Often I see people do bird dogs and they extend their spine quite a bit. This is just a drill to work on keeping a neutral spine with hip extension. So how we do that? We're going to exhale fully. And exhaling fully makes my rib cage come downwards a little bit. That helps me get a more neutral spine position. Then from there, I'm going to keep that position, breathe into my belly, and then push my leg outwards into extension. And then come right back down. You can either alternate or just do one side at a time. But again, the sequencing, exhale fully, rib cage down, breathe into the belly, and then extend the hip. As I do that, I feel my glute muscle working pretty hard to get my hip into full extension. If you're doing it correctly, you should feel hip muscles working and abdominal muscles working the hardest.